Welcome to a new Tips for Trips video. So, do you love traveling? Check. Do you like planes? Check. Do you like famous planes? Check. Start your engines. So we took our car and the GPS drove us to some place that we thought it was the museum. Yeah, you better double check what you type on the GPS.
Somos tan boludos que en realidad era otro museo que estaba a un par de cuadras y ese sí llegamos y está abierto.
This is the story of a man called Ed Maloney who had a vision to preserve American aviation history. The first museum opened in 1957 in Claremont, California. It was called the Air Museum. He kept buying new aircraft and aviation artifacts that, by the year 1962, the facility had run out of space, so the next year they moved to Ontario Airport in Ontario, California, where they started to restore some aircraft to flight. They moved again, this time next to the Chino airport. So here we are, Planes of Fame, Air Museum. Restoration work put several unique aircraft back to work, including the Mitsubishi A6M50, Boeing P-26 Peashooter, Northrop N9MB Flying Wing. This amazing museum provided aircraft for movies and TV shows for over 50 years. So now I'm gonna leave you with a montage of some of their incredible planes. Enjoy! Ticket price is $12 and you can also book a guided tour, and these guys are amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Remember, this channel is about traveling and consumer electronics, my two passions. You can also leave a question in the comment section and click on subscribe. See you soon!